Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery. First, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. It's important to work in a well-lit area so you don't misplace any tiny components. Knowing your specific key fob model helps ensure you get the correct battery type for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually on the side. Press this button firmly and then carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small notch. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this notch. Twist the screwdriver slightly to pry the two halves of the key fob apart, being careful not to damage the plastic casing. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change your financial perspective. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Now, let's get back to the video. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your flathead screwdriver. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.